Hello everyone! Today we'll demonstrate how to bind the access control device with two control panels and the binding method for two Tuya APP households. We'll also demonstrate the precise room number call function to achieve the linkage response of two devices. Preliminary preparation: 1 access control device, 2 control panels, 2 mobile phones with Tuya APP logged in. Step 1. Add 2 control panels to the access control. Refer to the video, Building Intercom System Configuration Guide 1, How to Add Central Control Panel to Building Intercom. Step 2. Add access control information to the control panels. Refer to the video, Building Intercom System Configuration Guide 2, How to Add Building Intercom to Central Control Panel. Step 3. Bind the access control to your mobile phone. There are 2 binding methods. Before operation, please record the relevant information first. That is the name and room no of the control panels added to the access control. Method 1. Local operation on the access control. Press menu on the access control. Select Admin Login. Enter password 516516. Enter APP config. Select an authorization number. Enter name and room no. The device will generate a QR code. Scan the code with Tuya APP to finish binding. Mobile binding with access control completed. Next, we demonstrate room calling. The corresponding room's control panel and mobile APP will receive the call simultaneously. Method 2. Operate on control panel or computer. First, enter the menu on the access control. Obtain the device IP address. Enter access control IP in the browser. Log in with admin account and password 516516. Enter APP management. Check access control authorization status. There is one pending authorization. Follow the same steps as method 1. Enter name and room no, generate QR code. Scan the code with Tuya APP on another phone to bind. Binding completed. Test the effect.